Welcome back, viewers. In this video we are going to work on user login. Before working on user login, we have to validate our form. From here we will work on the form. Let me show you what was the problem here. If I am trying to write here and we get this error message, unique contents failed, register email. That means the email is already inside the table and this email field is unique. That's why we are getting this error. So what I can do, write a script in Flask. If the user is already in database, we can display error here. Let's do that first. We come here in forms of customer. Here you can see this is customer registration form, and the first thing here I will import validation error, and the second thing will be here from flask-wtf import flask form. So then I will import the model. So from model import register. This is our database table. We need this one. So what I can do, I will just replace this form to this flask form. So then I will come here down, after submit, define function. This function name will be validate username. This will take two arguments. First we will give here self, and the second will be username. And then I will give here a condition. If then we query our database, register query. This will be filter by username. So we equal to username dot data. If we have this one, if this condition is true, then we are going to do raise validation error, and inside the error we will say simply this user name is already in use. So then I will simply just copy this one and paste it here. Now I will change this username to be email. So I will come here, do multi-selection, and all username will be email. I will write here email, and I will just here write this address. This email address is already taken. We are done from here. Then come to here now route. So we have to change now route. Here we have to only change, we don't need request.form. Also this request method equal to post. I will do here just form dot validate on submit, and this is we are going to validate. And third thing here will be in registration. I will come here, I will give this form dot csrf token. This will protect our form from forgery. So this is validating the form. So now let's try what we can get. So come here. So I will just put this password, and now you can see we have this message. Username is already in use and this email address is already in use. So if I change this name, suppose 1, this will be like just Baloch, and here I will give one password, and if I register there, here Jamal, here will be Baloch advanced site.com. if I write here some password, and this password, if I write here, and then this contact, then, and here if I hit register, okay, so why I'm getting this message again? So we did one mistake here, now I remember. So I have to come here in form, this will be dot first, and this one also. So now if I come here again, try, so now you can see we are successfully registered. If I go back with same, so now if I try this password, and if I hit the register, so now you can see we get this message. So now our validation is completed. So time to work for login. What I can do for the login, first thing will be I will create here one form. So this will be class name will be customer login form, and here I will also pass this flask form, and I will just copy this email and password, paste it here. So we don't need this validation equal to, and other things are fine, email address and password, and we can have here button. So this will be submit equal to submit field, and the inside I will just give login. So we are done from here. Now I will go just to here admin, because we have their login already. So in admin template I will take this admin from here and copy it, and then I will come here in customer folder. So for the template HTML I will just create here just on the login.html, and then paste this one inside. So here we have everything, and also we have here src token, so we don't need to do anything here. And I will just come here and remove this one, we don't need, because we have there. First thing I will come here, stop the program from running, and our virtual environment is already active. So I will just do pip install flask-login. So you can see this is showing me this requirement already is satisfied. I can run my program again. So what I have to do, I will come here in init. So first thing will be from flask login, import login manager. So we have to import this login manager. Then I will come after the all search everything. So I will just do here login underscore manager. This will be equal to this login manager. I will write here login manager dot init app, pass this app variable. So this is the app variable we are passing for all. So then login manager dot login view, so this will be equal to, I will just give it name of customer login. This function we will create later. Then will be login manager dot login message category. Here the category will be danger, This should be red. And last thing here, we will send user a message that will be login manager dot login message. This will be equal to, I'll write here you, then I will write here please login first. So from here we are done. Now we will come here in our route. In this route, what I can do, and first thing here, I will just import login manager. This will be here, and then from flask-login import login required, then will be current user and log out user, and also will be login user. So these we need from here, and we have to do here in our model. So I will come to here in model. What I can do, I will just come here and import this login manager here from flask-login import user mixin. So then I will pass here comma user mixin. So after that I will come here login manager dot user loader, and then here I will define function. This name will be exactly this, and then here will be user underscore ID, and this will return that our this register dot query dot get, and here we are going to get this user ID. So now come to here in route. We have already imported these. So what I can do, I will just come here, make the endpoint of app dot route, and here will be customer slash login, and this will take methods of get and post both. Post, then I will define the function. This will be named the function we have given here as the login view. So I will just copy and paste it here to be specific, and then return a render template, and this template will be inside here. This I'll just copy this one from here to here. So I'll just .html, and now what I can do, I will import our customer login form, and form equal to customer login form, and then I will do here if form dot validate on submit, then we will write here our query. So first thing will be we have to get this hash password here, user equal to register dot query dot filter by email equal to whatever is coming in our form dot email dot data, and here will be also first. After that we have to check if user and bcrypt dot check password hash, and here is our user dot password comma, this will be form dot password dot data. So if this password are matching, then what we can do, I will just come here to make it. We will just call this function here. This one is login user. So we will come here, just say login user, and here we will pass our this user variable. So then user will be login, and then what I can do, I will send the message, and this will be you are logged in, and then this category will be success, and the second thing here will be next request dot args dot get. So here we will get this next. If it has a next, so then we have to return a redirect to the next this variable, or URL4 I'm going to send it to home page. So what if password or username is not correct? So what we can do, I will just come back here. It will be like else, so I will just come here. So first I will send here flash message. This will be send here a message. This will be incorrect user, incorrect, not username, this will be incorrect email and password. So then we are going to return redirect to the URL4, and here we will send him back to here. So this same page, this will come back to the same page. We are done from here. So now let's try if we can log in or not, if there is any error or something. So I will just come here and try to log in. Form is not defined. Okay, yeah. So here I have to write this form equal to form. So now if I come here, we are in here login page. So what was our, if I do this, incorrect email and password, so I should have to, will be category will be danger, and now I'll come once again to do it. See, now our this message is also good. I have to make it first word should be capital. It's not looking good. I'll just write here bookty, and then password, the login, and I am login here. So I redirect to the home page. So that means we are logged in successfully. So that's all for this video. Thank you very much. Take care. Bye bye.